a promotion plaque, and the work quietly disappears. Career maps where generalists win and how to pivot. Which ladder snaps when automation hits? The rigid one. If your path is vertical and repeatable, it could break under disruption. Subscribe to Technology Upside because flexibility, not depth alone, wins promotions now. Roles that demand translation and judgment reward generalists. Product leadership, platform management, strategy, operations, founders. Predictable execution is replaceable. Shaping ambiguity and aligning teams is not. Pivot by shipping outcomes, documenting impact, and owning connector work. If this series helped, subscribe, share, and tell us which ladder will you climb differently.